body on fire.
Yo bro.
Alright, so nandito tayo ngayon sa
Aqua Planet.
Aqua Planet for the Midyear anniversary or Midyear party ng Cloudstaff.
Yun. So actually pang ilang cover na natin sa kanila or partnership sa kanila. So we would like to thank them. Hey. Diba?
Yes, actually, thank you for letting us be a Cloudstaffer.
Oh yeah.
Yes, di ba?
Alright. So ayun guys, we're gonna give you an idea ano bang nangyari ngayong araw na to. So samahan niyo po kami. So, may pala po. Hi ka ba? Alright.
Body on fire. You set my body all on my body. You set my
Yeah, the Global Fiesta is so important for us. It's a chance to be able to bring all of our cloud staffers together to say thank you to them. We do them all around the country. We've got staff working from home, from the tip of Luzon, right down to the bottom of Mindanao and everywhere in between. But of course, Pampanga is our home. It's where we're from. It's our biggest event. So we've had 9,000 people over 3 days here at Aqua Planet. And it's just a great way to thank our staff and invite their family and their friends and loved ones in there as well. Because we appreciate them. They are powering hundreds and hundreds of businesses all around the world, and we're so grateful for them. Yeah, of course. It's bringing our family and our friends is really important. All of our major events, we always allow our families to come along, invite extra friends on days like this. And then later in the year, we're going to be at Philippine Arena. We've got Beanie. We've got some other big names coming along. So all the family and friends are invited. And if you want to join up with the Cloudstaff and be a part of events like this, and join us at Philippine Arena and go and see Beanie live in concert, join us, jobs.cloudstaff.com. We would love you to join the family.
all on my body. You set my body all on my body on fire.
Hi, this is JDC from Rapid Launch! Why Cloudstaff is the #1 workplace in the Philippines and in global? It's obvious. We are amazing and we're definitely #1.
The management is good and they are very accommodating as an employee.
If you wanted to join Cloudstaff,